Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'll be doing the trade recaps for first day and Friday. It's currently Monday, so there's another video gonna be coming out today as well. Let's just say last week I've been lacking. There's no really like reason why I didn't upload, but I'm just lacking. I'm just gonna say that. Uh, so yeah. So first day I took this trade. Oh, so the reason why I took this trade was kind of bad, mainly because I did kind of like predict this move right here. Like I did. No, I don't want to say I predicted it, but I knew Price was gonna do this because how I say this, like on the higher time frame we sold off like this much, and was this is New York Open, right? We had London low right here. It was so likely for us to manipulate this low and then move higher, but the thing I noticed with Price is that like the last couple days Price have been really volatile, and when Price is really volatile, you usually don't get the retracements that you want to be having to be able to trade them. So I couldn't trade this. Why? It's because I didn't get any retracement within here. And then price reached the point where I wanted it to be, and on the 15 minute, this would have been a perfect retracement trade to the downside, but I didn't see that. But that's the thing I'll be taking note of as well. So then we sold off, and then I still wanted to take a trade, and I still wanted to take a trade, and I kind of forced this trade right here. Uh, Looking back on it, I should have shorted right here instead of long, but yeah, that's just looking back on it. Uh, Overall, trade did kind of wick me out and then launched to TP, so it is what it is. And then another thing I learned about this is that usually when you're kind of consolidating, it's really likely that we manipulate both sides, right? We manipulate right here, and then we manipulate right here. So I'll be taking that with me as well. The trade I took on Friday was a really sour trade. Right off New York Open, I was really bullish. Why is that? There was a 4 hour gap right here with London High right here. Actually, London High was not really the reason why I wanted to go bullish, but like this 4 hour gap and like we had some remaining gaps above here as well. And overall, before the New York Open, we had London and Asia moving pretty bullish, and yeah, like usually at New York Open we don't manipulate that volatile. Actually, I mean not specifically that volatile, but we don't manipulate that much to the downside. For example, we wouldn't make this kind of move. It usually would be around this kind of move. So I kind of saw for myself that we had like these 2 minute, 1 minute Ferrari gaps within here as well. I kind of want to see us manipulate that. And when this candle closed, this bullish right here, I thought to myself, this is probably gonna be the move. So I just took this trade with this candle in mind, and then and then I got wicked out again, and then we shot to TP, so which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So last week, uh, I lost three. I lost three trades. Uh, Wicked out on one. This one is I'm kind of. I'm upset about it, but like I can't be upset about it. The thing I learned about this trade is that if market has like big imbalances before New York Open, I can how to say this, take some of those imbalances to with me when I take the trade, because we could manipulate a bit lower. The trade from Friday was a bad trade, so I could have avoided that. And the trade from Monday, I'm pretty sure I posted that trade. It was also a bad trade, but like I had to make that mistake to learn something new about myself. That usually I wanna be trading instead of I'm trading. So yeah, that was a quick trade recap from the past Thursday and Friday. Not really in depth, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna be back later today with another trade recap, so that probably be a bit more in depth. But yeah, can I make a prediction for today? I do think we're gonna maybe go be bearish, uh, but we could also see bullish. But how price is reacting right now is pretty much. I think we might be bearish because we made this rally up and we might rebalance and then we go higher if we are bullish. But overall, we did kind of make the retracement to be going back short because we tap this. So in that sense, I do see us going back lower. Actually, there is reason to go move lower, but we could also say the reason to move lower is to make the retracement for the longs we did Friday, and then we could maybe see us push up here, or just go straight down like this. But yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, we will see. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later today. Bye bye.